We're going to learn how to create a box and whisker plot. The following data are the maximum temperatures in degrees Fahrenheit of 18 cities in the United States measured on the same day. 67, 72, 80, 66, 81, 65, 54, 64, 61, 52, 84, 70, 59, 72, 83, 69, 82, and 71. We are going to do some preliminary work to compute the 5-number summary for this data, which includes the minimum number, quartile 1, median, quartile 3, and maximum. And then we're going to use the tool provided to us to create the box and whisker plot in ALEKS. Our first task is to arrange all elements in order from least to greatest. This way I can clearly identify what my minimum and maximum is and can label those right away. Minimum is 52, maximum is 84. I can also note that to find the median, I need to find the middle number or numbers. In this case, it will be the average of the two middle numbers because I have an even number of elements. There are 18 data elements. Therefore, I need to find the average of the 9th and 10th element. This is my center, and since there are two numbers in there, I need to find the average of those. Median happens to be 69.5. Average of 69 and 70 is 69.5. Now that I have 9 elements on each side of this center, it means I have odd number of data elements, and therefore finding quartile 1 and quartile 3 is pretty easy. Quartile 1 is 64 because that's the center in the first 50% of my data. Q sub 1 is 64. Q sub 3 will be 80 because that is the center of the second 50% of my data. Q sub 3 is 80. Now we're going to see how to enter this information in a visual format and how to build a box and whisker plot on ALEKS. All you need to do is to pull the whisker on the left hand side to the minimum and on the right hand side to the maximum. Place your quartile 1 where it belongs at 64, quartile 3 at 80, and of course the median at 69.5. Make sure to check all your points right here to ensure that you did not place them accidentally in wrong locations, and then check your work.